I'm Ananya. Let's talk about the things we feel but don't always say. Let me ask you a question first. Anyone can say I love you, but can they actually show it when it truly matters? Love isn't what you say, it's what you do. In today's world, love is spoken a lot, but felt very little. We hear sweet words, long messages, big promises, and emotional sentences. And yes, words do matter. They make us feel seen for a moment. They sound comforting. They sound convincing. But the real difference begins when words are not followed by actions. Because love is not proven in conversations, love is proven in consistency. Anyone can say they miss you, but do they check on you when you are silent? Anyone can say they care, but do they show up when it's inconvenient? Words make promises, actions keep them. There is a huge difference between someone who keeps saying things just to sound loving and someone who shows efforts without needing to announce it. A person who truly loves you doesn't need to constantly convince you. They make you feel secure naturally. When love is real, it shows in the smallest thing, like remembering what matters to you, making time, not excuses, listening without being asked, standing by you not only when it's easy. Real love doesn't beg for attention, it gives you reassurances. Okay, let's talk about something important, which is consistency. Saying I'll always be there once is easy. Being there every time, that's effort. Love that is only verbal often feels confusing. One day you feel special, and the next day you feel ignored. One moment they say everything you want to hear. The next moment, their actions make you question your worth. That's when love starts hurting instead of healing. And love is not supposed to feel like calculation. Love is supposed to feel safe. If someone's love you, you won't have to keep guessing. Now the big question: what should love actually looks like? Love should look like effort, respect, and emotional availability. Love should look like choosing you even on ordinary days. Love should look like growth, not emotional exhaustion. Your partner should not only say they care, they should show it in how they treat you, how they speak to you during arguments, how they respect your boundaries, how they prioritize you without being forced. Love is not loud promises, it's quiet commitment. And here is something you many people need to hear. If someone truly loves you, they won't make you beg for the bare minimum. You won't have to remind them to value you. You won't feel like an option in their life. Love should feel mutual. Effort should be balanced. You deserve a love that shows up, not just one that talks. At the end of the day, words without actions slowly lose meanings. But actions, consistent, genuine actions, build trust, safety, and real connection. That's the kind of love that lasts. So don't fall for just beautiful sentences. Look at behavior, look at effort, look at consistency, because love isn't what is said in emotional moments. Love is what is done every single day. Never settle for the love that sounds good but feels empty. Thank you so much for listening.